Anyone who contacted someone abroad will disappear soon. Saying hello to someone abroad costs at least 5 or 6 years in jail. Fiction movie writers wouldn't be able to imagine and write about the suffering of the Uyghur people.
About 1 million Uyghurs are believed to be in camps against their will.
We documented torture. We documented ill treatment.
与此同时，我们不会接受个别国家罔顾事实、充满偏见和政治色彩的指责，更不会允许以人权为借口干涉中国内政、损害中国主权和领土完整。新疆基于反恐斗争的需要，设立了教培机构，就是要通过教育帮助少数受极端主义侵蚀和影响的人摆脱恐怖和极端思想。
I was 12 years old when I went to Urumqi, Xinjiang's capital. I've been doing business since then. Now I live with my wife and 4 children in Istanbul, Turkey. We came here at the beginning of 2017. In the past year, I exported goods to 45 or 50 countries. I'm a businessman who communicates with businessmen from around the world, but I can't get in touch with my sister in China, supposedly the most high-tech country in the world.
Most Uyghurs practice Islam and speak a Turkic language that's completely different from Mandarin Chinese. Ethnic tensions have risen over the years since 1949 after the communist government encouraged the mass migration of Han Chinese.
We would exchange messages once a week, not much. We would just send a dot or a flower on WeChat, which meant that she was safe and free. Since September 18, 2018, I haven't heard anything from her. There are foreign businessmen who have been traveling in and out of China bringing goods for me. I learned from them that she was arrested and given a 3-year prison sentence. My sister has 2 daughters. I don't know where these 2 girls are.
新疆实施的一系列的政策措施，旨在促稳定、促发展、促团结、促民生，同时依法打击民族分裂和暴苦犯罪活动。
I meet with other women here in Istanbul who are in the same situation as me. Our men were arrested. We talk about our spouses and our parents. I don't know if my parents are alive or in a camp or where they are. There's been no progress in searching for my husband. It's going to be 2 years since my husband was arrested by the Egyptian police in front of me and my daughter at the airport in Egypt.
"因为受到国际反恐形势和宗教极端思想渗透等多种不确定因素的影响，当前新疆反恐维稳三起叠加的态势没有根本改变，仍处在暴恐活动的活跃期。"
My daughter misses her father a lot. I motivate her by saying, "Study hard, my girl, and by the grace of God, your father will come home one day." As a mother, I realize I have to be strong.
My only dream is to meet my parents in my motherland. My sister and I are not only siblings, we are also best friends. I am her only relative here. I'm responsible for my sister. I have 8 younger siblings. Currently my father, 2 of my father's nephews, my father's younger brother and my father's uncle, 5 people are in prison. I have no idea if any of my other relatives are detained. We used to communicate on WeChat. Suddenly they deleted us and the communication stopped. After graduating from high school, I want to apply to university and study psychology. Now, Uyghurs are experiencing psychological trauma. I hope with this major, I can help them build better and healthier lives.
Our life in Turkey consists only of daybreak in the morning, followed by darkness of night. There is no other meaning. It doesn't matter if we live here 50 or 100 years. We are still Uyghur, and the place where we were born and grew up is Kashgar, city in Xinjiang. We live only in hope of seeing our brothers and sisters and of seeing our motherland again.
Ki gözde